Today I will be here teaching you how to change your Windows language. Closed you here who want to change. Your PC language? Language of your Windows there. It's very simple. You will do the following. You will come here on the Windows button. Comes in silence. Comes in time and language. Come here in language. And here you go. Choosing here the language you want. You will be here selecting. He will download your image from your language. Right, and down here you can choose which one do you want. Oh, there you can see that already. Exchange up there, closed. There for you to change your Windows. You will be here. Oh, when you have to download, right? If you want to choose from your keyboard, you change here. Mine, I want in English. And Windows is up here. Here after you download below. There are all the language options you made here. Then you choose if you want in Portuguese or if you want in English. Closed, and that's it.